Yo, what's up guys? As you already know, there are tons of AI tools out there for video editing, whether it's text to video or image to video. But let's be real, most of them are either complicated, slow, or just not worth your time. So today, I'm breaking down the only 3 AI video generators you actually need in 2026. And trust me, you do not want to miss the last one, it's absolutely insane. But before we jump in, make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this. Alright, let's get into it. Number 3, Digen AI. First things first, open up your browser and search for Digen AI, then click on the first link. Now listen, Digen AI is seriously on another level. This tool is powerful, fast, and insanely easy to use. You can create eye-catching, professional quality videos in minutes, no editing skills needed. We're talking smooth performance, creative freedom, and results that actually look premium. And check this out, it supports both horizontal and vertical videos, which means you can create content for YouTube and viral reels or TikToks at the same time. If you're trying to level up your content game, this is definitely a tool you want in your arsenal. It's actually free to get started. Alright, that was number 3. And trust me, we're just getting warmed up. Because number 2, and especially number 1, are on a whole different level. Let's keep going. Number 2. Veo AI. Alright, now we're leveling up. Next up, we've got Veo AI, and this one? This is where things start to feel seriously advanced. Veo AI is built for creators who want that cinematic, high-end look without needing pro-level editing skills. We're talking about visuals that feel like they came straight out of a movie. What really makes this tool stand out is the level of realism. You can type in a simple prompt, just a few words, and Veo AI transforms it into a full scene with smooth motion, realistic lighting, and incredible detail. And I'm not talking about basic animations. I'm talking about next-level visuals that actually feel alive. It understands how scenes should look and move, which means your videos don't come out random, they come out looking like a real story is unfolding. That's a huge difference. So if you're into storytelling, cinematic edits, high-quality social media content, or even short film-style videos, this tool is perfect for you. Another thing I like? The control. You can guide the mood, the vibe, the style, whether you want something dark and dramatic, bright and aesthetic, or futuristic and clean. And the final results? Super smooth, super detailed, and honestly, kind of insane. Now yeah, I'll be real, this one is a bit more advanced than Digen AI. There's a slight learning curve if you really want to unlock its full potential. But once you get the hang of it, you can create content that really stands out. So if you're trying to go from just posting videos to creating something that actually looks premium and cinematic, Veo AI is definitely a tool you want to check out. Alright, now this is it. Number 1. GROK AI. And I'm not even gonna lie, this one right here? It's on a completely different level. GROK AI isn't just a video generator, it's more like an all-in-one creative powerhouse. This is the kind of AI that doesn't just follow instructions, it actually understands what you're trying to create. And that changes everything. With GROK AI, you're not limited to basic prompts. You can go deeper. Build ideas, refine them, and turn them into content that feels smart, engaging, and super creative. It's like having a creative partner, not just a tool. Now imagine this. You come in with a simple idea, maybe just a sentence. GROK AI can help you expand that idea, turn it into a full concept, and then generate content around it. That's powerful. And when it comes to video creation, it helps you think beyond just visuals. It helps you create content that actually connects with people. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about making videos. It's about making videos that people watch, enjoy, and remember. And GROK AI helps you do exactly that. Another huge advantage? Speed and intelligence. It processes ideas fast, gives you creative direction, and helps you stay consistent, especially if you're posting content regularly. So, whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or someone trying to grow on social media, this tool can seriously level you up. So, yeah, those are the top 3 AI video generators you need in 2026. Number 3, simple, fast, and free. Number 2, cinematic and powerful. Number 1, smart, creative, and next level. Now I want to know, which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next.